Hello everyone! Kumusta ang lahat? Matagal-tagal din akong hindi nakapag-update dito sa page guys kasi sobrang busy. Ito yung ko guys, ginawa ko nung Mother's Day. Gumawa ko ng sarili kong t-shirt. Gift ko for myself. Ayan guys, ginawa ko yung customized shirt. Kasi nakabili ako ng sublimation printer. Printer siya. For t-shirt only lang siya guys, and tumbler, yung mga print. Sublimation printer yung tawag. And then nakabili din kami ng heat press and then itong tumbler. Yung pwede kang mag-customize ng tumbler or cups or tasa, ganun. And then, ayan, tinuruan ako ni Habi paano mag-print. Ayan. Ayan na yung print ko guys na shirt. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan guys, maganda ba guys? And then, pumunta na kami dyan sa mother-in-law ko guys kasi dyan kami mag-celebrate ng Mother's Day. And then, mag-grill muna yung hubby ko dyan. And then, nag-open ako ng regalo ni RR galing school. From RR?
Read it in the back. Read it.
Reading the back. I love you. I love you. Wow, ito yung biyak niya.
And that's a bird.
It's a bird. I don't know wing. Oh, come on, have one. Thank you. Ayun na nga ang surprise ni RR sa akin guys for Mother's Day galing sa school. And then pag uwi namin, sabi ni Habi mauna daw siya kasi may surprise daw siya.
Alright, today's Mother's Day and I decided to get my wife a new juicer. And anytime she can come through that door, she should be coming home in about a few seconds. Oh, I think I hear her now. She's coming. Her? Oh, it is. Hi, babe. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I have a surprise for you. Ta-da! It's a new juicer.
Ayun na nga guys, na-surprise ako sa regalo ni Habi na juicer kasi yung juicer ko guys, nasira siya guys. Kasi yung carrot guys, isang beses ko lang siya in-slice. Ang laki, nasira sa carrot guys. Kaya ngayon, mag-i-slice ako, maliliit na talaga, parang magugulay ako para hindi masisira yung bago kong juicer. Kasi nakakatakot baka pagalitan ako. Okay lang sana kung ako ang bumili. Kapag nasira, okay lang. Parang nakakatakot gamitin guys. Ayun na nga guys. Pag uwi ko guys, saka ko pa print yung t-shirt ni teacher Wilsie, teacher ng anak ko. Yan yung regalo ko sa Mother's Day sa teacher ng anak ko guys. Miss Wilsie, you're the best, yung nakatatak. Tapos yung rose, customize ko siya guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!